Welcome to the CINCH Tips Series, your quick and easy guide to getting the most out of CINCH Quilt. In today's tip, we'll explore the colors and palettes area in the block designer, where you can choose, customize, and apply colors to bring your designs to life. Once you're in the block designer, look for the colors and palettes section. Here's where all your color magic happens. You can scroll through the available palettes or use the search bar to find something specific. For example, type bright or green to see matching options. When you find a palette you like, click the check mark next to it. That palette is now added to your design. And the best part? CINCH Quilt saves it for you, so you won't have to search for it again later. To start coloring your patches, click on any color square in your selected palettes. This activates the color painter, and you'll notice your mouse cursor changes to reflect the color you chose. Now, just click on a patch or shape in your block to paint it with that color. Want something unique? You can create your own custom colors. Click the eyedropper tool labeled Create a Custom Color. In the dialog that appears, click the colored strip to open the color picker. Here, you can choose a custom shade manually, or use the eyedropper to pick a color from anywhere on your screen. Just like palettes, your custom colors are saved to your design, ready to use anytime. You can also use palettes and custom colors to experiment with different color combinations. Try swapping shades, mixing tones, and testing bold or subtle contrasts until you find the perfect look for your design. If you decide you no longer need a palette, simply click the trash can icon next to it to remove it from your design. And that's it for this CINCH tip. You can mix and match as many colors as you like to create the perfect look for your block and your overall quilt design. With CINCH Quilt's colors and palettes, your creativity is only a click away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next CINCH tip.